Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to cancel any Etsy order? Then in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel an Etsy order. You just have to follow these steps properly. So let's dive into the video. Step 1 is go to www.etsy.com and log into your Etsy shop. In this screenshot you can see the login page here. Now step 2, click on the shop manager icon from the top right hand side, as you can see in this screenshot here. Then you have to select order and shipping from the left sidebar. Now head to the step 3, navigate to the cancel an order page by selecting more actions from the order detail overlay and then select cancel. You may also cancel the order by clicking the three dot symbol next to the order and selecting cancel on the desktop version of Etsy. Here is a note for you. There is one more option available known as refund. You can choose that too if you want to cancel the order and issue a refund to the buyer from your account. The step 3 is summarized in this screenshot. By clicking on this three dot button, you can see cancel and refund option available here. Now step 4, enter the reason to finish the cancellation process, and you can also write a message to the buyer in the text box present just below the refund total and then click cancel order. Here you can see some message templates are available for you. Now, once the cancellation process is completed, the buyer will be issued a refund for that particular product. If you are not having enough funds in your account, your attached card will be charged for any due amount. If the purchase was made using PayPal account, then it's seller's responsibility to manually refund the amount back to buyer's PayPal account. Now, how to issue a refund? Start by logging into your Etsy account and heading over to your shop manager. Once you're there, follow these steps. First, navigate to orders and shipping. On the left hand menu, click on orders and shipping again. This will bring up a list of all your current orders. Then select the order. Find the order you wish to refund. Click the three dot icon next to the order. Then choose refund. A drop down menu will appear. Click on refund. Fourth, select refund type. You can choose to issue a full refund by checking the box next to issue a full refund. If you prefer a partial refund, enter the specific amount you wish to refund. The fifth step is reason and message. Choose a reason for the refund from the drop down menu. You can also add an optional message to the buyer explaining the refund if necessary. Head to the last step, review and submit. Once you are satisfied with the details, click review fund and then submit. So that's how you can cancel an Etsy order. If you have any question left yet, then feel free to drop the question in the comment section. And if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.